Challenge number 17. Brainstorm viral short-form video topics by AI. Short-form video is where attention lives right now, but coming up with fresh, scroll-stopping ideas every week can drain your creativity fast. You don't need to dance or chase every trend. What you do need is clarity about what hooks your audience, and AI can help with that instantly. It can analyze your niche, tone, and audience pain points to suggest video topics that catch attention within seconds. You'll walk away with a batch of ideas designed for engagement, each one tailored to start conversations, drive clicks, or plant curiosity that leads to action. Sample prompt: act as a social video strategist. My niche is describe your niche or focus. Suggest 20 short-form video ideas for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Mix educational, entertaining, and promotional angles. Include a quick hook or opening line for each video that grabs attention within the first 3 seconds. Make sure the ideas fit a beginner-friendly creator who prefers authentic, simple-to-film content. What to look for: good AI output will give you variety, different tones, angles, and themes that all serve your brand's message. Watch for hooks that feel human and emotionally charged, not like headlines written for robots. If the ideas seem repetitive, add details about your audience's struggles or goals so AI can dig deeper. You've succeeded when you can imagine filming several of the ideas right away using just your phone and your voice. Strong ideas will instantly make you think that would stop someone mid-scroll. Over time, you'll develop an instinct for what makes content shareable. AI just gives you a massive creative head start.